Hello and welcome to Let's Accelerate, and this is Tariq, and today we are going to discuss about the Excel anatomy video part 2. So guys, in the previous video we had discussed about ribbon collapse, the ribbon button, file button, column letters, row numbers, title bar, horizontal and vertical scroll bar, page review button, and most importantly how to get rid of print layout unwanted lines. In this video, we are going to discuss about remaining buttons and features. Before we start, let me inform you that if you are interested in learning Excel with the latest update, so please like and subscribe our YouTube channel and also like and follow our Facebook page. So let's get started. So the very first option we have in this video is the new sheet button. Suppose I'm working in this sheet and I'm done with January. I'm just moving on to the February. So I'll click on this plus button and I'll be able to add. And we also have got the shortcut key to add a new worksheet. The shortcut to add a new worksheet is Shift F11. And if you don't remember this, then we have got another shortcut which is Alt HIS. So it looks like Alt His, a mail object. So guys, did you know that before Excel 2016 there were 3 sheets added in the workbook by default, but after 2013 we have got just 1 sheet by default. So let's move on to sheet tab control button. And now in this condition we have a less sheet. Let me enable these button because we have a less number of sheet. That's why these buttons are not active. Let me enable those. I have added multiple sheets and I just want to see the sheet after sheet 6. So I'll click on over here and I'll click over here and I can see all the sheets. And there is another option. You can right click over here and see all the sheet, and you can click and it will be click OK and to activate those. So the next option we have quick access toolbar. So this customizable toolbar holds commonly used commands. The quick access toolbar is always visible regardless of which tab is selected. Let me give you the example. I have selected this one. It will be showing. This will be showing. It doesn't matter which tab you have selected. So let's take another example of this one. I just click on this drop down and I'll click on more command and I'll click on copy and I'll add it over here and I'll click OK. So it will show over here and I write something. I just want to copy this. I click over here and hit enter. So this is how I can do it. I can add buttons on this customized toolbar. So next option we have the window control buttons. These are very common controls for minimizing the current window. So this button is used to minimize the current window, and this button is used to maximize or restore the current window like this, and this one is used to close the current window, which are common to virtually all Windows applications. So the next we have the ribbon display option, a drop down controls that offers 3 options related to displaying the ribbon. The first one is the auto hide ribbon. So this option will enable to hide the entire ribbon with the tabs or menu bars. You will be able to see the ribbon when you bring your cursor to the ribbon area like this. So now suppose I have a bigger data, I just want to see all the data, nothing else, so I can use this button. Now I just want to see the tab. I'll bring my cursor over here and I'll click and I'll get this option. And when I just the moment I click in the cell, it will be disappeared. So the next we have is the Show tab. So this option will only hide the ribbon, not the Ribbon tab. And the ribbon can be seen by clicking the tab like this, like this, like this. And this will be hidden when I click the cell. So the last but not least, this is the Show tab and commands. This option will display everything ribbon along with the command and tab. So this is by default feature we have given by the Excel. And moving on to the search box. Sometimes we forgot or we don't know that in which ribbon our required tool or function is located. So this control option, this control feature helps us to find that. The search control is a bulb with the caption, "Tell me what you want to do." So let me give you the example of this one. Let me create a data for you. ABC DB, like this. I have created a data. Okay, now I have created a data and I'll find filter over here. I don't know where the filter locates. So the moment I click on the right filter and hit enter, we have got the filter and I can remove it. Let me give you another example. I just want to sort it. So I'll use sort and click this one and I have sorted it. So this makes Excel very easier for us. And the next we have the selected cell indicator. How do we identify which cell is selected? So this is very easy. Selected cell, we have these dark green outlines. We can also check the location. I6 is the location of the cell. So moving on to the status bar. This bar display various messages include the status of num lock, caps lock, scroll lock key on your keyboard. Suppose sometimes we forget that whether num lock is on or not. So now it is showing the num lock, that means the num lock is on. I have off it and it will not show here. And I have on my num lock, it will show over here. Now I have on the scroll lock, it will show over here. Scroll lock is off. Caps lock is on, caps lock is off. Everything will show over here. It also shows the summary information about the range of selected cell. This is the summary, count 8. When I use the number, it will show a lot of things like average of this number. The count is 8, the minimum in this number is 1, maximum is 63 and the sum is 83. I just want to remove some of them or to add some of them, so I'll tick or untick on those and I will not be able to see that. So this is how you can right click over here and you will get that back. So this is how we can get that back. Moving on to the formula bar. The formula bar is actually the backstage view of our cell display. When you enter information or formula into the cell, it appears in this, like this. Sum. I'm using the sum. Okay, so it is showing 83, but it is showing the reality how the 83 came out. So this is how we can see the reality of that, whether it's a number or it's a formula. It's a number because it's showing a number. It's not a number, it's a formula or the function. And the last but not the least is the zoom control option. Sometimes we just want to zoom our data, so we can click over here and zoom according to our requirement, or we can also minimize it, bring it to the minimum. So guys, we are done with the Excel anatomy now. In the next video we will be learning how to navigate in Excel through mouse, keyboard with a lot of shortcut techniques. So please let us know through comment section how was the video. If you like this video, so please subscribe our channel if you're watching this on YouTube, and if you're watching this on Facebook, so please like and follow our page. Link has been mentioned in the description, and keep watching Let's Accelerate. Thank you very much.